thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today.
So it's my pleasure. I'm happy to talk about your topic today, this afternoon. And so, what are the questions you are trying to give?
So, Ma'am, you've been a teacher for many years now. What's your perspective on the role of the PTA in the school community?
I think PTA is the foundation or main stakeholders in our school. They connected to us, especially kanang mga events, mga projects in school. Sila yun ang nakong tabang na mo. Wala may mahimo kung wala ang parents. So that's why mahimo sila ang vital support system na mo sa amo ang day-to-day nga events, day-to-day projects. Kaya sila mo ginamong tawgon. Sila ang pinaka-main stakeholders na.
Okay, so can you give some specific samples or activities where the PTA has benefited your classroom or the school as a whole?
Okay, sa among part in the school, dako kayo tabang ang PTA, especially sa moang case nga kuwang mi og classrooms nya sila ang pinaka main source sa amo ang fund, especially in making makeshift buildings, kanang amo ang mini libraries. So dako kayo lang tabang, especially financial funds.
So, it sounds like the PTA is very active. So, what are some of the challenges you've seen in this?
Mga challenges. Okay. I think there are some challenges in getting parents involved, especially when we are asking them to have a PTA meeting. Ang kuwang lang yun nila is mga challenges kanang time nila, especially in their family nga kanang daghan kaayog mga household chores, magkuwang yun sila og time para pag-ari. So posible nga gamay ra ang hotel, and then the energy ang kinahanglan po big time, especially sa mga voluntaryo. Unya namon pi uban nga busy kaayo, dili man pud namon po ibang parents nga dili gyud kuha ang ilang time, especially na mga trabaho. So, mao nang time and energy ang mga challenges na mo when we are talking about kung mga nila o presence sa school.
Okay, so in fact that most of the parents here in local national high school were farmers.
Oh, yes,
So,
mostly.
how can you encourage all the parents to get involved, especially in the PTA activity?
Maybe through their kanang sa kanana participation, though amo sigurong encouragement nga bisan pag sa kabisi, siguro more responsibilidad po sa parents nga mag-need sila og kanang connection sa school since they have their children sa school nga ilahang i-send para sa eskwela. So mo nang siguro encouragement ta para pag-attend sa meeting, pag-attend sa mga voluntaryo, mga inana siguro.
So, what advice would you give to parents who are considering getting involved in the PTA?
Ang amo ika-advise, my advice to parents is, ako laikon sa parents is a great way to connect to them. But, dili tanang panahon nga makuha gid namo ang ilang time. Makuha na mo nila ang ilang energy, especially sa mga voluntaryo, especially sa gulayan sa paralan. Hinahanglan magyunag hinlo sa ilahang sa area. So siguro ang akong makahatag nga advice is a source of commitment, dedication to their children. Kay siguro na sila salig sa eskwelahan kay nganong send man sila sa among school, so meaning mga kumigamay nilang tabang para sa for the improvement of the school.
Okay, so thank you so much for your insights, ma'am, and it's very clear that the PTA plays a very big crucial role in the school. So, ma'am, thank you so much for having your time and talking with us.
Okay, so welcome and congratulations.